Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin is about to break out within 24 hours, plus some crazy cryptocurrency price predictions that are going to set the market ablaze. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, Bitcoin on the verge of breaking out, where it is headed, plus these altcoin price predictions are about to make things go bananas. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter with Crypto Love, and of course, subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos for over 7 years. That's a lot of days. Now, today, fear and greed at 80, sideways for the past couple days, but still an extreme greed. Very nice. The overall market down 1%, Bitcoin at 95,149, Ethereum at 3586, and XRP at 228. Now, Bitcoin, as you can see, coming right up to the apex of this wedge, could break up, could break down. I would say there's an equal likelihood of both potentially happening, except for one thing that you'll see if you watch the rest of this video. But the price targets for Bitcoin, if it was breaking up and if it was breaking down, well, you can see right here, there is a confluence of the 78.6 fib level and the 21 EMA, right around $92,500. There's also the $100,000 big even. So those would be the first price targets for Bitcoin to hit, whether it goes up or down. You can see there's a lot of volume on the volume profile right there at $100,000 to break through. So we'll kind of have to see which direction it goes and if it can be a sustained attack. But right now, if we take a look at the 1 year HODL wave, now this is something that drops off as we reach the peaks. Right now, it is starting to drop as we approach $100,000. But still quite high at 63.3% as long-term hodlers clearly waiting for 100,000 plus before starting to sell at scale. So while there is some selling, it is not widespread as of right yet. And while people speculate that the price may go down, there's good evidence here that it won't go below $90,000. Keep in mind, the average mining cost right now is $90,524. Now, somebody in the comments is going to be, but you can mine a Bitcoin for $40,000 using whatever. Yeah, but this is the average. This is taking a look at all the different mining costs, and this gives us the average mining cost. Well, historically, during a bull run, Bitcoin has never fallen below the mining cost. You can see during these bull runs, prices never fallen below the mining costs, which would mean that Bitcoin would not likely be going below $90,000 right now. And even in bear markets, it doesn't fall, price does not fall that far below mining costs, which is pretty crazy. It means that Bitcoin may not go below $90,000 ever again, or at least not for very long. Now, right now, Bitcoin has entered territory on the Chaikin money flow that it did not do in 2021 when we got wicked off to everybody's disappointment. Well, taking a look here, we are in the runaway zone on the Chaikin money flow, which generally happens right at the beginning of the massive parabolic banana phase of the bull market. So things are about to go wild for Bitcoin. Interestingly enough, and this is hard for me to wrap my mind around, as high as the price is, broken all-time highs, approaching $100,000, it's like crickets in terms of most people knowing anything about what's going on with Bitcoin right now. If we take a look at the Bitcoin Wikipedia page views, you can see in 2018, very high. In 2021, kind of high. Right now, crickets. If we take a look at the market cap to thermocap ratio, you can see that historically at peaks, very high. Right now, crickets. Evidence that as high as price is right now, it's still just the beginning for Bitcoin. And this chart right here backs that up. Bitcoin breaking above the top line of the Fibonacci Bollinger Bands is when the bull market begins. You can see this here in 2021, 2017, and 2013. This is only the beginning. We're only touching it right now. People are suggesting that the top may be in, but we haven't even started the rally yet. The bull market is now officially here, and it's just getting started. So things are about to go absolutely bananas for Bitcoin, which brings us back to this, breaking up or breaking down. Yeah, it could break down temporarily, but that'll probably be the best buy opportunity of your life if that does happen. And if it breaks through that 21 EMA, which has been supported many times before, man, better scoop that up like your life depends on it. Now, if we take a look at altcoins, this is the total three, the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Maybe you can see what I see right here. giant cup and handle right there, predicting the market cap to go at least to $1.5 trillion right now, to $1 trillion. So at least 50% growth on that, but likely just the beginning of things right now, just breaking through previous all-time highs. So the very, very beginning when it comes to that, we can take a look at, this is the total market cap excluding just Bitcoin, but you can see breaking out of the accumulation right here. Last 2 times this happened, this was the beginning of massive alt season, many more gains to come. We actually just have confirmation of this, the crossing of the monthly alt season cross right here. Last time, probably one of the most bullish crosses for alt season about to occur just happened. And guess what? It is just the beginning. This had, after the cross right there, that had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months. So we could have a very healthy year to come. Also taking a look at this, breaking out of this cup and handle formation right here. Well, likely about to send it. Now, how high? Ethereum, if it did what it did last cycle, where it peaked near the 141.4% Fibonacci extension, well, that would be roughly $10,000 this cycle, a nice healthy 3x for Ethereum. And if you're sitting down, which I hope you are, and if you're standing up, please sit down. The Dogecoin profit-taking zone, according to last cycle, would suggest that the price target would be a $10 to $30 Doge. Now, this is measured from the bottom to the previous all-time high, doubled its base, and projected to the triangle. Start taking your profits at 10, go all the way up to 30. There's a lot of charts that suggest that Dogecoin could have some massive gains. And if Dogecoin is going to do this, every other meme coin is going to do this. So things are about to get very wacky. Don't jump off too soon. Don't jump off too late either. Jump off at exactly the right time. And clearly that's how you make the most money in cryptocurrency. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove, subscribe to the channel. And also YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.